Okay, today I want to show you a use case where I'm going to replicate OCI registry images between regions. And it's a nice use case because if you want to do a DR regarding OCI registry, you need to replicate the OCI registry images. For doing that, looking at the CNCF, you have a project called Podman Container Tools, and you have a super nice tool, Skopeo, which manages container and images, and it's able to replicate the images without requiring a daemon or root privileges. It means you have no local storage and just a copy from source registry to the target registry. So it's a very nice tool. What is more, this tool is using the digest of the OCI registry image in order to know if it needs to replicate it. Okay, the digest is a unique identifier of the Docker image, and so this digest can be used if you want to check that there is no need to replicate the image. Another point is, so this is the digest of the manifest, knowing that the manifest is the list of the content of the layer of the images. And Skopeo is using the digest of layer in order to replicate on that. It means if you have already replicated 2 layers, then Skopeo will check the digest and will only replicate layers after the 2 first layers that are already replicated. As you see, this tool is super optimized, is protection ready, and my goal on this demo was just to do a simple UI and store some data in Autonomous DB. So I have an Autonomous DB here with ORDS in front in order to store data using the JSON format, because it's super simple to insert, update, delete data using ORDS with just REST API and a HOHO token. Okay. So what I want to do is to replicate the registry between Paris and Marseille. So the source registry is Paris and the target registry is Marseille. As you see, for the moment, I have only 2 images on Marseille, and I'm going to replicate another one from Paris. To do that, I created a small application, with a UI that allows me to do a mapping. This UI is deployed on OKE, and sure as this UI and the worker that are going to replicate images, they don't need storage. So OCI OKE Serverless is a super use case. This OKE Terraform, created by the official Terraform stack, if I'm using kubectl, I can see that I have a virtual node, okay? And I already have deployed my code as serverless pod, okay, that are running now. You can see the UI pod and you can see the worker pod. The UI pod is just responsible for the UI of this application demo, and the worker are kinds of background processes looking at the data in concerning the mapping of replication, and that are doing replication using Skopeo. Okay, let's go for the demo. As you can see on my UI, I have cleaned the demo environment in order to make a more simple demo. So the start is the same. You see there is one replication of RealMaker OCI cube that was done before, and it's successful. Okay, just again to check only here Mirror Maker and another image in Marseille, Paris. And now I'm going to create another mapping to show you. So add a mapping, from Paris to Marseille, the namespace, okay, here. And I'm going to choose, for example, this one, okay? This one is queue consumer. Check interval, 5 minutes. You can set the interval for each replication as you want, and you can increase the number of parallel workers. Again, a nice feature of Skopeo, as you can have several workers working in parallel in order to do the replication. I just use one because it's so fast. You need to understand that now this code is deployed on OKE Serverless on OCI. The speed of the network between regions is so incredible. You don't need a lot of workers for Skopeo to copy all the images. Preserve source compartment. It means, you know, when you put an OCI image on OCI registry, by default, this image is on the root compartment, and you can move it to another compartment, your project compartment, for example. So when you are doing the replication, you need to do the same step. It means move it to your project compartment. And this tool is going to do the copy plus the move to the right compartment. Right means the same compartment for the source registry and the target registry. Let's go. Okay, no thanks, no dashboard. As you can see, pending. Okay, in progress, so running now. Okay, so this is only the UI, and there is worker node, a worker pod doing the job, and you see it's so fast. As you can see, it's quite incredible how it's fast. One copied. Okay, for the queue consumer. And now we can double check that on Marseille. And on Marseille, oh, it seems I need to do a simple refresh of the UI. And on Marseille, everything is perfect. Okay, queue consumer worker. So you can see here, really super nice tool in order to define the mapping that you want with the interval of replication that you want, with in the background worker using a super nice tool, Skopeo, in order to do the job. Thank you for your attention. And again, remember, this is a nice use case for OKE Serverless.